Hello everyone, and welcome to our very first session on Python language for beginners. So over the next couple of weeks, we will be doing short videos addressing how to code Python specifically for beginners. So let's carry on. So why would you want to learn Python? Python is easy and readable, and you will see that once you start coding. And then you can use Python for a number of projects. You can use Python for web applications. You can use Python for embedded system applications. You can use Python for machine learning and AI applications. And why should you consider Python? Python is in high demand. Python is in high demand. And if I go to my Google, you would find that a number of roles have Python encapsulated in them. For example, you have data and ML engineer here. And then if I search, you can see it requires that you know Python. And if I also look for another role here, let's look for another role. So let's look for this one. And then I search through, it says this role requires Python. And if I look for one more role, let's see this one. See, does it require Python? No Python there. And what about this one? Let's look at a crypto. Is there a crypto here? I have Python. No Python. What about this one? So clearly this would require Python as an instructor. Yes, so see, and if I flip here, number of roles to have Python in them. So you have Python, data scientist, and that's a contract role. You also have Python developer, that's also a contract. I mean, it's contract. And then you have this one. Let's look at this, and then let's try and find Python. See, that role requires Python. I'm sure you get the gist now. It's in high demand. It's in high demand. And Python is rewarding. So, and then once you know Python, you can begin to get remote jobs. You can begin to work on innovative projects. And it's kind of rewarding as well too, just like I mentioned earlier. So I mentioned that we'll be dishing out short videos to address Python programming as a beginner. So as a beginner. So what are the requirements? So the first is a laptop. Clearly you will want to code, and then you will need your laptop to do the coding or to follow through our videos and also implement the assignments given. And then we'll also have internet. So to access materials, to access videos that I'll be pushing out. And then you also need to have that passion. So that passion to start and then finish. And then it would also be coding with Google Collaborate. So I also advise that you have a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account, you can access the Google Collaborate. It's free. And where can you find our videos? You can find our videos on Facebook, TikTok, and our handle is IntuPy. And then on Instagram as well, so you can also find us on _IntuPy. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.